Hello everybody, this is Charles with 83 Metalcraft and 83 Metalcraft Boise. I wanted to do a little introduction video this morning and kind of give you a backstory on us. We are a metal fabrication company that specializes in building ornamental rails, traditional style railing, cable railing, horizontal rail, and ornamental ironwork. This is what we do. We don't do anything else. This allows us as the builders to focus 100% of our time on building your railing and your railing only. We don't do off-topic fabrication or anything like that. This is a niche fabrication company. A little bit of backstory. I've been welding for 22 years. I started out as a structural iron worker, traveling the country, and ended up getting hurt and transitioning over into fabrication locally here in Colorado, and from there started my own company in 2016 after working about 10 years in the industry in fabrication, and started my own company in 2016. So from there we started out as a general fab company and quickly realized that building rail is what we wanted to do and what we enjoyed, and gave us the options to be a little more creative. And I've always built the company around customer service, creativity, and trying to push the boundaries. And so basically I just wanted to say thank you for choosing us and inquiring about what we do. You found us on one of our platforms, and I just want to welcome you. You guys have a great day.